Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Todoist. Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace, perfect for notes, wikis, and complex project management. In contrast, Todoist is a dedicated, streamlined task manager, designed for efficient daily tasks and reminders. Your choice hinges on whether you seek a versatile, customizable platform or a focused, powerful task list. We will explore their unique strengths to help you decide which tool best fits your productivity needs. Notion truly shines with its incredible versatility, offering a flexible canvas for almost any need. You can build custom databases, intricate Kanban boards, and detailed wikis, making it ideal for comprehensive project management and knowledge organization. Its collaborative features allow teams to work seamlessly on shared documents and projects, providing a centralized hub for all information. It's a powerful tool for those who love to customize their workspace. Todoist, on the other hand, excels in its focused approach to task management. It allows for incredibly quick task entry, often using natural language processing to set due dates and priorities effortlessly. With robust integrations, it connects smoothly with your calendar and other essential productivity tools. Its intuitive interface ensures managing your daily tasks, recurring tasks, and projects remain straightforward and highly efficient, keeping you on track with minimal fuss. Deciding between Notion and Todoist ultimately depends on your specific workflow and requirements. If you need a comprehensive, highly customizable workspace for notes, project management, and team collaboration, Notion is likely your best bet. However, if your primary goal is efficient, straightforward personal task management, with quick entry and reliable reminders, then Todoist will serve you exceptionally well. Consider if you need a flexible canvas or a structured, dedicated task list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.